Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage new quality option, a new video quality option in YouTube. YouTube just update a new quality option in video application, YouTube application. How you can use it? Okay, so many people asking the how to remove the uh, video quality option, new quality option, or how you can you know switch into old. So you don't need to switch to old because YouTube has updated and you need to just manage, learn it, and you have to just you know update yourself to use this option. So I'm going to show you how you can manage or use this new quality option on YouTube. So let's start with the video. So before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So I'm going to show you in my Android phone, and if you're using iPhone, then you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video. So guys, here you can see I'm an Android phone and opening my YouTube. So just opening the YouTube, and here you can see this is video I'm just playing. And if I go into this three dot, okay, if I go in this three dot, here you can see the quality option. If I click it, it is updated and it show like this quality of your current. So I in previous in old quality option, you can see the numbers 240p or 170p. You can select numbers, and here you can select number from here. Okay, like if you go to the advanced, you can see the qualities for this session only apple the current video. For all video, go to setting and video quality preference. So go to the settings. So here you can choose the settings. You have to choose the quality for all videos, because when you select the option from this previous option, this will be for apply only this current video. And if you select option, or if you manage the quality from here, video quality preference here, then it will be applied to all videos. So here you can see video quality on mobile network. Okay, if you are using mobile network, you can select the from data saver, it is low quality. Okay, and you can select the higher picture quality, or you can select the auto. Okay, if you're using Wi-Fi, then Wi-Fi also you can select higher quality data saver. So data saver is a like you can, this is a low quality, it is a data saver option. Okay, and then the higher quality means if you are using the Wi-Fi, or if you're using mobile, you can select the high quality picture. That's, it will not depend on your, it will be consume your more data. Okay, so I suggest you use data saver if you want to minimize your data usage. So just both section, you can select the data saver, and once you select, it will apply all videos. You not need to change every videos. Okay, so if you want to change for every videos, you can go to the this three dot again, and go to the quality, and here you can select for current videos. Here they saying that's quality for current videos. Okay, you can change from advanced like numbers. Okay, one second. Let's just go to the video again, go to the three dot, go to the quality. Here you can see the advanced. Okay, you can see the in this current video, you can select numbers in P. Okay, so 144, it's like old quality option. Okay, but it is only apply for current video. If you want to change quality for all videos, you can go here as I told you. Okay, so that is all guys. Data saver is a very important section if you're using the, if you want to save your data. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.